Okay guys, you're hooking up the water at your RV site and you want to be able to use a splitter like this. So you'll hook this up, you'll take the top, hook it up to your water pedestal at the RV site, take one side, go ahead and go to your camper on, then leave this side for use. You got to clean something up, wash something down, take it to your grill, you have a pet you need to give a bath, whatever it might be. With this cutoff, you can leave this side open, go into your RV. You'll take this, leave it cut off until you need it. That way you're not hooking and unhooking your water during your camp visit. Nice thing, a good one like this, only $11.99 right here.